So you just clicked on this video because you're about to take your driving test and the nerves are starting to kick in. Well, that's completely understandable because it's a big ordeal, and having nerves when you take your driving test is completely normal too. There's a lot to do when you go in there. You've got to have a great attention span, you're going to be asked technical questions, you have to demonstrate your practical ability, but don't worry because we've all been there. And in this video, I'm going to talk you through 10 top tips to help beat the nerves. Firstly, practice makes perfect. Loads of people have probably said this to you already, but it really does, and it installs confidence within you. So as many driving lessons as you can get, go out with your mum and dad, make sure you are comfortable on the roads. Next up, arrive early to the test centre. The last thing you want to be doing is getting there late. You're going to be flustered, you're going to be in a rush, and you're not going to be able to concentrate properly. So just wake up an hour earlier so you can get to the test centre on time. And next up, don't overthink it. This is just a driving test. You don't have to pass first time, you can always reapply, and it's not the end of the world. Next up on our list is sleep. Now you need to make sure you get enough sleep the night before your exam, because this is really integral, because it will refresh you, make you feel relaxed, and you'll also have a greater attention span. So make sure you keep on top of your sleeping pattern and avoid caffeine and any alcohol, as this could also affect the outcome of your test. Another major point on our list is to make sure that you are utilising your driving instructor correctly, because after all, they are a fountain of knowledge and they should know everything about the car and the road that you're driving on, along with the signage and anything under the bonnet. So make sure that you ask away, and whilst we're on the point of asking, make sure that they know what the test routes are. Your driving instructor will most likely already know this and will have gone through it, but make sure you're confident with the route so when it comes to your big day, you can nail it. For the final few tips, well, make sure that you focus on just your driving when you're on the exam itself. Forget that there's a test examiner there next to you. Forget about any other distractions that you may have going on in your life, and just focus purely on the test. This is one of the best ways to make sure that you pass. And even if you don't, like mentioned, don't worry, you can rebook another slot, and in between them, you can go out with your friends and family to greater enhance your confidence driving on the road. And bonus tip, if you like these kind of videos, make sure to like and subscribe, because there's plenty more where these came from. So then, I hope this video has helped to calm the nerves a little bit in preparation for your big day. We have every faith in you, so go ahead and smash it. I'll leave a couple of links down below in the description where you can check out our Swansway blog, where you have lots of useful tips and tricks, and I'll also leave a link to our website where you can check out all of our current stock in preparation for your first car.